In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive folder for a group, offering you the complete 2025 guide for seamless collaboration. Creating a shared Google Drive folder is incredibly useful for team projects, class assignments, or any other group activities where you need to share documents, spreadsheets, or other media files with several people. Let's dig right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive and sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, glance over to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll find a button labeled New. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Folder. Here, you can enter a name for your folder, something descriptive like Marketing Team 2025 or Project Alpha can be very effective. After you've named the folder, press Create, and just like that, your new folder is ready to go, acting as a digital workspace for your group. Now that we have a folder, sharing it is the next step so your team can access it seamlessly. Simply right-click the folder you created and choose Share from the options that appear. A new window will pop up, allowing you to enter the email addresses of your group members. Here, you can also specify the level of access you want them to have. If you only need team members to view the contents, select Viewer. If feedback and discussion are necessary, the commenter option would be ideal. For full collaboration, where group members can add, edit, or delete files, choose Editor. Once you have specified these choices, hit Send to dispatch the invitations. Here's a little pro tip. If you're planning to share this folder with a larger audience, an access link might simplify things. To create one, click Copy Link, and then change the settings to anyone with the link. You can still adjust permissions just like before. With the folder now shared, organizing it is key to efficiency. Within your main folder, consider creating subfolders labeled Reports, Presentations, or Resources to classify different types of files. Consistent naming conventions such as 2025 Project Report V1 help immensely in keeping everything systematically arranged. You may also star important files to enable quick and easy access later. When it comes to accessing and collaborating, you have several options. On your web browser, log into Google Drive and find the folder either in Shared with Me or My Drive. If you're using a mobile device, the Google Drive app is your best friend. Tap on the Shared tab to access it. For streamlined efficiency directly from Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you can save files right into the shared folder, allowing all team members instant access. And there you have it, your Google Drive folder is now set up, shared, and organized, ready to be your team's collaborative hub. Follow these steps and your group project will run more smoothly than ever before. Happy collaborating!